Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this inspired look by Manny MUA. I'll insert his picture here. I feel like there's way more purple in his look and I wish there was more in mine, but I didn't have like a good vibrant purple. So I need to go on the hunt for that. But it looked like in that picture the colors that he used on his eyes were gonna be a surprise, so hopefully there's something I can buy in the future. It was also the first time I ever created a half cut crease, and so it was pretty interesting and very stressful, but I really like the way it turned out. I've never done a look like this and I really love it, so I'm definitely gonna be recreating it in the future. So anyways, I also just wanted to throw this in the video because I'm starting to make videos again. My roommate just pranked me by filling my Jamba Juice with salt, like filled. So roommate prank vlogs are gonna come up very soon, just wait. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just primed my eyelids with the MAC Prep and Prime eye base. If you have lids that crease easily or get oily, I definitely recommend this. I've tried like all the eye primers out there and this one is my favorite. So in the crease there's kind of like a sunset above the purple. It's like an orange and then a light orange color. So I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna take this color first and then I'm gonna add this color right here on top of it to blend it out. And I have really small eyelids, so creating a look where you could see a bunch of different colors is gonna be really hard, but like I said, I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so we're gonna go back in later to blend more and add more color, so don't worry about that right now. I just kind of wanted to set them on my lid first. The closest purple that I have to the one that he used is this one, and this is a Makeup Forever eyeshadow. The only thing is that it's very shimmery, so it's kind of hard to blend it out on the crease. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna try to pack that on my lid. We'll see how this ends up. So what I'm doing right now in my crease is putting some pink there because it looks like there's a little bit of pink in his. So I'm adding these two colors, this light pink and this dark magenta color, into my crease right now. Going back in with this light orange color to blend above the pink that I put because it kind of is getting a little too high. Okay, going back in with more purple because we really want that purple to stand out. So it looks like he darkened up his crease with a black color, but I'm gonna go in, this is a Wet n Wild palette I've literally had for so long, but I love this. I love all these little palettes, and this is like a really, really dark purple look, or really dark purple eyeshadow, so I thought it would be really nice in this look. Okay, so I added that color. Now I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and really define my crease with the pink because I noticed that his is very, very defined. Okay, so I know it doesn't look perfect right now, but we're gonna do probably the hardest part because I've never done this before, and that is a cut crease. I feel like I could totally just do this look without it and just kind of blend everything out, you know, have that be my own inspiration, but I really wanna try it, so yeah, here we go. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm gonna get a little concealer brush. I think I tried doing a cut crease like a year ago and it was terrible, so you know. Okay, I don't want to close my eye because I know the concealer will get on top, but I think this is so weird. I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then we'll go from there. I'm so excited. It doesn't look terrible. I know the end of the concealer, like, we're gonna blend that out. I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette again. And this is my favorite palette, you guys. Like, she did such a good job. Props to her. But I'm gonna be taking this second. I'm trying not to get concealer on my crease. But this icy, like, highlight color and putting that on my lid. So I'm definitely gonna need a brush because I don't want it to go over the concealer. Okay, going back in with that purple to blend out the harsh line that the concealer created. So I had to take a break because my roommate said AT&T was coming and I've literally been sitting out in my kitchen waiting for like 25 minutes and I was like, okay, like I could have been filming this entire time, like my foundation done, and he hasn't come yet. And so I'm sitting down now and I know as soon as I do my foundation he's gonna come. So anyways, let's just hope that doesn't happen. Using my Men's Nivea Post Shave Balm to prime my face. For foundation today, I'm trying the new NARS foundation. It's the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and my friend Sophia, she actually recommended this, and I bought this because of her. And also, when I went into Sephora to buy this, the girl that was helping me, she was wearing it too, and it looked so good. So, I'm really excited to try out a new foundation. I feel like I've been talking too much, and I have the front door open, so I'm just kind of trying to like listen to see if they drive up to our house. Okay, now going back now. I already pumped it on my hand. So I'm gonna go in. I also matched myself because she was really busy. And I think I did a pretty good job. I matched it to my chest. And you know how Sephora lighting is super bright, and here I'm sitting like in front of a natural lighting, and like sometimes it just looks so different. But I think I did a good job. So I'm gonna try to work quickly. Someone just got here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crap. I need to finish. Cool. They got here right when I was doing my foundation. I literally look so crazy and I'm gonna have to answer the door like this. On the bright side, this is a really great foundation and I recommend trying it out. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Medium. Oh, and the shade I got for foundation was in Stromboli. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line. We're almost there, guys, almost there. So I'm going to take the dark purple that I used in my crease, or my outer corner, because his lower lash line was very dramatic. Okay, so now I'm going to, oh, I already highlighted the inner corners of my eyes as well with the same shadows that we used on our lid. Okay, I'm back and I did my eyebrows. I did wing liner. I don't know, I couldn't really tell if he had winged eyeliner in his picture. It looks like he might have like a slight wing liner, but I can't do eyeshadow looks, crazy eyeshadow looks without wing liner. And then I applied lashes. These are my all-time favorite lashes. They're by Eylure. And I will insert a picture of which ones they are. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking my Hoola from Benefit. This is my favorite bronzer on an angled brush. I'm baking under my bronzer to give the illusion that I have cheekbones. For highlighter, I'm going to be adding a few just because I always do. I'm taking Fuego from the Desi and Katie collection first. Then I'm taking my Champagne Pop, which I'm almost out of, and I think they discontinued this product, which sucks. Definitely need to add some Fix Plus or some setting spray because my face is looking a little dry. Before I add mascara to my lower lash line, I want to add some glitter into my inner tear duct. I'm taking my ColourPop. This is a color Golden State of Mind. I was gonna say Color State of Mind. Isn't this beautiful? I remember I saw this and I was like, wow, I can finally afford something from Sephora. I think I'm going to take the lightest color, which is this like whitish blue color. For lips, I'm going to be taking Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. He had on a very nude lipstick, but this is pretty much the closest thing I have. Okay, I'm back and I forgot to spray my face. As you can see, I'm like all, you know, put together. I have my hoops on. I waved my hair a little bit. So I'm going to take some, this is the Mara Badescu facial spray, the cucumber and green tea, because my face is just feeling a little dry. So, and then with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to dab that into my skin. I'm going to go back in and highlight my face. It's so weird to think of a time when we didn't highlight our face and we just looked all matte. That's so weird. Alright, so that was everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and give me any video requests because clearly I've been gone for so long, but I really want to start filming again because it's just so much fun. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.